One TV special report.
Meaning ang kuwan karon wala hinay-hinay na ang awas sa balon, at least makakuha pa ta sa domikan makapalitan ang kanila.
Okay.
Mao to siya Mr. Chair.
Okay. Okay, so
Mr. Chair, pakabol. No, kay nag-mention ko sa ganyan kamating the same as probably as Maribok, no? So, comedian lang Madam Jerry, Mr. Jerry, appeal lang siguro ito tarang same na problem about sa tangke. Kung magbungabong yung Maribok kamating, appeal magbungabong wala.
Ang bungabong nuso is na po yung issue kaya po sa tangke.
I-appeal lang siguro, mausan lang dalan during the committee meeting.
okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ano tayo, Mr. Chair?
Engineer Julius, sige pa mag-meeting sa water board? Basto?
Sa karon Vice, wala ko magiging meeting. But sa mga sa wasto lang, every week yun yung meeting. Kada Lunes. Wala kami sa karon.
Okay, mayan ba ito o palalag sa bitaw ng sa board?
Yes.
Kanang yung board, yung joint SB meeting,
Mas maayo.
issues bitaw, okay, yung kono board kayo ng interest of like nani o dagdag yung mga pangutanan, so i-joint na lang. Anyway, iwan po mo kada bulan, katula ang representative niya panalagsa, pwede joint na lang ta, no?
Yes, Mr.
I mean, invite ang me ba, the whole SB.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kaya lang, meron daw yung already to us to.
Yes, Mr. Sige,
May
sige.
pag-meeting mo sa board or sige without us.
Okay. Sige, so salamat, Engineer Junior. So,
Robert Chair, iklaro lang ako, Kuya Engineer, ang kamating pirman sa ato ang committee meeting, and then ang ato ang invite dito ang kapitan. Kasi po, una sila yung mga ang nakapalit naman kan ba? Wala man nakapalit kung may maestrado, retired police.
Actually, ang kanang kamating is na-resolve na siya.
Okay.
Okay naman ko na siya kay niya. Ako tagin na ni Mayor.
Okay. Wala na.
Wala naman po siya kabalik-balik. Kaya wala ito, hindi siya pwede kay government property.
Okay.
At the same time, kasi ako nakapalit, malaki na siya sa one kay wala
Hindi na siya. Okay. Thank you.
wala na siya issue. Ang kanina yun, ang isa pa ng kanina bumabog is wala ko pwede karon kay ang mga kabatuan na apelido sa bumabog ulit sa Manyalo. Wala po sige gamit ang tangke.
Bupa na mga
Oo.
resulta tayo.
Then ang kanina kung kanto kong naisa ni claim nga mo tayo ka-benefit sa tawag ni libre, wala po siya of donation. Mo na dili siya ka-benepisyo.
Okay.
Pero yan yun ka.
Ilahapon kumon po siya guys.
Kumon.
Sa
Pero
ilang
nag-enjoy ko rin sila pamilya, wala.
Wala po ika. Wala po. Dapat ang
At least one, nine sa silang pamilya. Isa kay wala bang guide proof with donation.
ang pangayon ng po nila sa treasury.
Kaya na ba? Wala yung nagawin.
Yes. Ang ano ko na siya guys, ang ilan po sa treasury is pangayon po nila nga documents and of donation.
Kung sa may ini-exist na actual, nagamit mo na yung existing man na.
Yes.
Fact.
ano nalibasihan?
Yes.
Engineer, ang
Deliver
nagpuyo
mo
diha.
papel.
Ang nagpuyo diha, ang anak na ni Liang ko. So, dapat ka siya mag-apel na diha. Kailangan mo ng yuta.
Yes, mo gyud siya nahitabo. Sitwasyon istorya na nato diri Mr. Chair, Vice. Ang sitwasyon yun sa katong naa sila negotiation sa barangay sa una. Ang katong yung lain yung nag-deliver nga kuan until karon wala pa gyud namo sila giproceed nga amo sila paliglan sa bill. Ako nga sila collection. Katong nangabtan pa sila sa basa, naka-enjoy sa una. Ang kanang magod nga issue karon kanang sa bungabong is sila mo sa treasury ang dili kusugod kay
Ang
naa
susunod mo, kaya ang problema na to ani, kung kamuhaan ang kulagwan, kamuhaan yun na lang yung sa
Uwi mo na.
Yes. Wala gyud
Ano
ta.
palupig na, gusto na na sila.
Ikaw lang marawa.
Di mo po sila sugot advice, di mo po sila magkuha kay di mo po sila kay sila may mulikta.
Aw.
Kay mag-note magaling ko, kailangan pigit sila kay naagid po sila. Sunod po daw po sila sa ordinansa.
No.
Madam Chair.
Vested rights prevail over legislation.
Mr. Chair.
Vested right. Yes,
Yes, sana magiging bahay na ng buwan, ng enjoyment sa tangke. Maling na kung appeal, engineer, sa basiran, ilang Ernie ubod nga area dapat na itangki diha, patay na si Ernie, o kasi na-enjoy gano'n, dapat ihatag man dito niya, iper.
Kasi, amor siguro ano yun.
Mo ba na niya, siya. Pero kung kuhan kayo, namatay na rin si Ernie, kung ano yung tangki dito. Basta rin, gamit na ba na ito karoon?
Last na lang, Mr. Chair, inyo sa inventory itong mga ibang lumit, kaya basig mong sunod ito na lumit babangwaon. Kaya sa analyze daan nga, nabatay gusto ko curious or karon news kay manunod yun nila, bita kay ninyo sila, wala sila donation. O sa una sakto yun ang pulse, pero yung inspecto ha.
Ito na ba? May siguro na bias ka na pitong ibang nasyon na to, like for example, lumigikan. Tanawon sa ginato ng mga documents sa mga tangke na
Kanan di makasyon, tama.
kay important nasyon, wala problema. Kung kanang lumigikan, i-review sa nagbalik sa board kung ang mga papel diha sa kuwan, nakabag yun. Kaya daghan naman sa tangke sa lumigikan, kaya lahi ang kasilak, lahi po ng lumigikan.
Mr. Chair, nahanap ko din ang ilang mga dinofinition. I-appeal din nato na sila documents para at least di na ito
Sige.
Kaya nakita ko manggol, pag take over na to sa LGU, sa katong sarwasang area, isa ka papel, wala yung pinahawiran nga dinofinition. Mao po na anytime nga kuan, mao gid po na akong ikuan nga dinofinition, nagit sila, appeal din sila sa checklist nga i-assume na ito, nagit lang nga dinofinition.
Ato sa PAL sa una, ang naay documents na naroon ang IBDC, kaya sila man may focal personnel sa PAL.
Basta na kayo file copy, wala yun.
Mr. Sir,
Nice, napaligid.
thank you. Katong i-assume na to sa imong giingon engineer, Mr. Chair nga, wala magka-mobile din donation. Kung ugaling mo insist ang accounting nga magbayad yun sila, kita mismo sama sa ingon ni Vice, bisan kinsa naman siguro tao nga modulate, labi na kay ingon nga i-construct during the time sa PARS, na maging saktong papel, na wala sila nakita karon, na maging siguro yung mga benepisyo nga ihatag sa mga tag-iya nga gitukuran, wala nila nakita. Wala na nakita, kaya nawala, umikas kadugay na sa panahon. Kunya, uminsist sila. Ang magproblema maguritika po sa panahon, kung muinsist mo ang mga tao nga ilang mawion, kaya wala sila nakabenepisyo, kaya hindi nawala ang papel, dili man sila, kamuman o dinhe. Therefore, katong giingon sa atong landong Vice Mayor nga ang sa tubais, ang rights mo prevail yun kaysa legislation. So, anak lang yun, Mr. Chair, Engineer, kay magproblema tayo di kabot sa panahon kaya basta magsunod, magdungog-dungog ang kada barangay and then wala yung naka-benefits, ilabi na nakabalo sila nag-relate ang mga yuta. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sir, salamat kayo, Engineer Julius. So, proceed ka. Ako turn over sa Honorable Vice Mayor Cha, pag-preside.
Okay, sige, go ahead. Honorable, our former Escape Federation President.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Madam Chair, and again, good morning to the August body. I appear today to your session regarding with the ordinance that we have approved last year, Ordinance number 5-2023, the Youth Code of this municipality. It came into our attention during the review of the human resource nato sa munisipyo, the ordinance with the creation, Section 18, creation of the Office of the Local Youth Development, it was seen or na-observe, nakita na kulang rin siya of item number, just the item number of the positions created, which is the Municipal Government Department Head 1, the Municipal Youth Development Officer, Youth Development Officer 4, Youth Development Assistant 2, and Assistant 1. So sila tanan, aside sa item number, wala siya nabutang sa ordinance, which is, according to our HR, dili siya ma-add to sa CSC for plantilla because of the missing item. Also, just to inform the August body, wala siya na-correct sa atuang SP during the review of the ordinance na itong isubmit, na di approve siya because wala siya na-review nila and then nilapas na siya sa adlaw nga kwan. So, consider din siya na automatic approve siya. So, karon kinahanglan siya og amendments for the said lacking item numbers for the said positions created with this ordinance, Madam Chair. So basically, there's a request already from the office, endorsed also by the municipal mayor last week, to amend this section 18 of the ordinance number 5-2023, Madam Chair. I hope this August body will consider this matter for an update also of our plantilla of this municipality, Madam Chair. Good morning.
Okay, noted, Honorable Policar. Okay, so naaman din na siya sa calendar. So we'll just proceed. No more privileged message. Okay, none. Let's proceed with proposed ordinance resolutions.
Proposed ordinance number 24, introduced by Honorable Marites Isdon, an ordinance to regulate the drawing of water from its natural source within the territorial jurisdiction of Tudela and imposing penalties for violations thereof.
Okay, any motion for this proposed ordinance?
Okay, Madam Chair, thank you. I move
Well,
for
next one.
first reading, then for committee meeting next week, na lang, Madam Chair, Tuesday.
Okay, the second, Joyce Seconded remarks, comments, objections, hearing none, motion is approved. Number item 2,
Petitions or request. A, letter from
Pag-uman na siya. Pag-uman.
Madam Chair,
yes,
namin isinit, Madam Chair, for the joint resolution declaring the site of Negosyo Center, which will be used temporarily for the display of, for Bagsakan Day and display area for the dry goods, while the market is under construction, Madam Chair. That area and sa site sa Negosyo Center,
to be used as
display area for the meantime, Madam Chair. For the dry goods.
Dry
Dry goods
goods,
only, Madam Chair. Okay, okay.
Okay. The Honorable Sumabat, no, move for the resolution to take term.
Joint resolution.
It's a joint
And
resolution.
the site of Negosyo Center, Madam Chair. Will be used for temporary,
Utilizing the existing Pasalubong Center.
sa area. Gawas sa
Okay, sa the back, no, the area, back area of Pasalubong Center.
side area.
Side area, asahan dire, katong na mga bangko, no?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay, for temporary area for the
Dry goods.
dry goods, no, display of dry goods.
Every Friday lang.
Every Friday. Sige.
Sa Sunday.
Okay. In view of the ongoing construction of the public market. Okay, any objection? Okay, hearing none. Okay, motion is approved.
Petitions or request. A, letter from the municipal mayor dated August 29, 2024, requesting the August body for an ordinance creating the position of Labor and Employment Officer 3, SG 16 Step 1 and a Cooperatives Development Specialist 1, SG 11 Step 1 under the Office of the Municipal Mayor of Tudela, Misamis Occidental, integrating the same to its organizational structure and staffing pattern and appropriating funds thereof. And letter B, letter from the Municipal Mayor dated August 30, 2024, requesting the August body for an ordinance amending the Municipal Ordinance number 5-23, Section 18.
Okay, for item A,
Madam Chair.
any motion, Honorable Ugo?
Yes, Madam Chair, I think, Madam Chair, I think this request, Madam Chair, to complete the first reading and refer to the committee on laws, Madam Chair.
Second.
Okay, duly seconded, remarks, comments, objections, okay, hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, motion,
Madam Chair,
Honorable Laki.
letter from Mayor dated August 30 requesting the August Bande for amending ordinance number 05-23, specifically section 18, Madam Chair, be referred to Committee on Laws, Madam Chair.
Okay, in second, okay, duly seconded, remarks, comments, objections, okay, hearing none, motion is approved. No communications received, naan? Wala. Okay, committee reports, so, Committee on Economic Enterprise, report. Okay, proceed.
Committee report on local economic enterprise. Subject, inquiry and schedule and salaries for slaughterhouse personnel during the Sunday operation. 2, clearance in front of public market to properly use the area for terminals and parking area, minimizing obstruction of the area. Not to accept any ambulant vendors o kayukay during Bagsakan Day, and other matters. The meeting started at 1:50 o'clock in the afternoon. Prior was led by Mrs. Diana Grace V. Gonzalez. The presiding officer, Honorable Lucille Sumabat, declared the meeting quorum. Honorable Sumabat greeted everyone and acknowledged the presence of all committee members and all invited personnel. Findings: 1. The problem is who will take the duty on Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. if all the workers who were on duty on Saturday night will still be on duty until Sunday morning. The butcher's salary cannot be increased because the slaughterhouse income is not enough to support it. Regular employees assigned to the slaughterhouse cannot receive overtime and night shift differentials because there is no budget for it. And it is difficult because they come from different offices and their positions are not placed in the slaughterhouse. For now, Ragas Park is not allowed to have any items for sale because the market is under construction. It is only intended for parking purposes since the parking area for motorcycles and private vehicles is very crowded. There are still private cars parking at Ragas Park. Recommendations: scheduling the duty of the butchers. The committee agreed to increase the slaughter fee. The collection of 150 pesos will be stopped. The committee agreed that by next Friday, there should be no more items displayed for sale at Ragas Park. But Ma'am Solis requested that from September 2 to 6, the desk appliance will be allowed to display because they were already given a permit. The committee agreed that those who have parked their private cars at Ragas Park should be sent a notice or letter. Attached to the notice should be a copy of the ordinance so that the vehicle owners are aware that there is a parking fee at Ragas Park. If they still do not comply, they will be required to pay the parking fee immediately. The committee ended at 4:09 in the afternoon. Signed and approved by Honorable Sumabat, Honorable Ubot, and Honorable Butchungan.
Okay. Honorable Sumabat? Order ka? Wala na?
Wala na, Madam Chair.
Nakuha na ko gamay sa parking fee. Kasi kato ng mga nakuyo sa surrounding. Sa sabot. Or kato ng mga park ng merkado.
Katong ginimuang parking.
Madam Chair, kato ng mga sakinan Madam Chair ka, nagpermiti na siya. Hindi ka gabi dia lang utang overnight. Ang ito to, ako lang pangutana na abato sa ordinansa. Kaya nakupana ko limang benefit wala po siya kamalo. About the parking fee of the private na nag-park diya sa Ragas na overnight, and then sa dili siya kauman, hapon siya, so permitin lang matulong na sila sa kinanya.
Wala na sa ordinansa na.
Murag gigawalan man sila, Madam Chair, na
Overnight yun.
overnight o mag-stay din yan.
Pero naagit siya na namin overnight nila.
Okay, proceed. Let's proceed. Any motion, Honorable Sumabat?
Mark as noted, Madam Chair.
Okay. Any second?
Second reading,
For second reading na or wala na? Let's start na to. Morong katong. Nasibag na ang katong sa slaughterhouse?
Yes, Madam Chair, for the slaughterhouse, Madam Chair, we came up with a decision na scheduling, Madam Chair. So nag-adjust me o duha ka tao kay there will be 8 katao nga butchers ma-assign daily. So ikuhaan na mo duha for the for every Monday, every Sunday nga mo daytime nga mo duty. Ano siya may
Half-half.
Half-half. Duha lang, then hindi na mo duty pagka Monday, kaya maya gamiton sa by Sunday. So mahulog siya mag-day off by Monday ang duha ka tao to pay the Sunday. O, nga na lang ang mong ikuan kay di man jud sila mabayaran ng chair.
Okay, sige. Okay, noted.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Lagi.
Thank you, Madam Chair. With regards sa kuan ba, Madam Chair, na manggod ko dire sa komite katong dili na pabutangan ng Raagas Park o kay dili na papaligyan.
Not discuss.
Yeah, there is a kuan. Ang ako po pangutana, Madam Chair, kay naamay nakasit dire nga September 2 to 6 i-allowed nga ang this appliance maka-display dito gumikan kay natagaan na silang permit. So napapugos kita nga natagaan mag-permit. How about kung dunay og incur na kung by next month dili na ginas na? Okay. That's all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Okay. Sige. Thank you, Honorable Lagi. So we can now proceed to the next committee. Joint Committee on Finance and Education.
Pinding lang Chair, pero mag-committee meeting lang Chair, kaya nag-ulat ko ng Honorable Sigida sa available din.
Report, Committee on Home.
Agenda, the proposed revision of the Comprehensive Land Use Plan and Zoning Ordinance. Findings, 1. Based on the comments of the CLUP, the proposed conversion from agricultural to commercial area transcends the allowable area for agricultural land to be converted. As such, there is a need to revise the proposed plan and zoning ordinance. Recommendation 1. Reclassify as residential those areas which are potential for commercial use to hasten approval. 2. Identify areas for future investors to ensure local economic growth. 3. Allocate specific zones within the land use plan for commercial activities where infrastructure and market conditions support growth, ensuring these areas are well equipped to attract and sustain business investment. And 4. Revise the plan based on the table. The revised proposal: agri-industrial 5.68 hectares, cemetery or memorial park 1.7 hectares, commercial 8.47, ecotourism 6.51 hectares, institutional 3.87, residential 24.42, sanitary landfill 1.4 hectares, socialized housing 17.97, tourism 2.59, subtotal of 64.42 hectares. And for the roads, 2.51, grand total of 74.49 hectares. Signed and approved by Honorable Tampuog Jr., Honorable Balay Sr., and Honorable Wood Jr.
Okay. Sige. Or nakit gano'n, mag-meet pa ta. Zoning ordinance na lang.
Yes.
Sa plan, okay na to siya. Sige. Pero I wonder, baka gusto na ito, na nag-i-apilan sa cemetery niya na naman as previous, no? Kasi ko tatag 1.7 hectares. I-check daw na amor. Anong naayon 1.7 diapol yung cemetery. Dugay naman yung cemetery at ang niyagi. No? Existing. Oh.
I-check lang po naman mo.
Sige. Okay, so let's proceed. We're not yet done man, no? Pero sa kuwan na ni. Napamano ko, CLUP pa to siya. Ang zoning ordinance, wala pa. So, dili pa natin yung mga discharge din na item. Kuwan lang, partial. Okay, so let's proceed with Committee on Finance.
Hindi ka lang Chair, wala pa yung final niya kung ano.
Kung nag-meet, ba sila kuwan? Kani siya ba? Asa man ni nag-ugat ni nga nung naamay ni siya ma-request. So, ako sa ilang ibasihan nga na yun sila na ay kuwan.
Nag-passing lang Sir sa
Report sa
and hindi pa nila mo na ni-mayor din yung Sir sa ato.
So, kay na kuwan sa mayor's office, asa sila gabasi sa kuwan?
During the time na Sir, nag-passing municipal administrator and then napadala dito o nag-account din dito sa market.
Accounting.
Pero ilang pag balilit ko kayo ng Sir kung sa final na kuwan. Sila, next week ko na Sir, mga update sa ni accountant o yung share ako sa rin.
Sige, okay. Committee on Economic Enterprise. Okay, tourism.
September 5.
September 5, Madam Chair.
Okay. Sige, let's proceed. We only have one item for our first reading.
Item A, Madam Chair, Barangay Resolution number 015-2024 Panayjo. Resolution to revise the list of projects against the 20% development fund in 2024 of the barangay amounting 505,207.40.
Madam Chair,
Yes, ABC.
resolution number 15 of the Corporate Management, Madam Chair, move from first to second, second to third, and third to final reading, Madam Chair, reading the internal rules.
Second, Madam Chair.
Medyo seconded. Any remarks, comments, objection? Okay, hearing none. Motion is approved.
Second reading, Madam Chair, item A, Madam Chair. And then item B, Madam Chair, public hearing last
Nadayan to?
last week, Madam Chair, if nadayan to, Madam Chair.
Mas nakadayan pag public hearing last Friday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday, ano ba sige. So, wala na. May further deliberation na ni? Or na ay mga substantial?
Gamay comments ito.
Sige. Share, discussion? Sige. Sa iba, sa mga portion.
Madam Chair na itong sa penalty, Madam Chair, na iusap 40 sa Texter at 30-30 na ang barangay o ang lungsod. Ayun, napunto sila yung ikuan na kanong sa net, sa lito ng Chair. Matayo sa siya ang net, pero 85 yun, nakato lang as fine as muskitero, mo hindi naging alam. So siya pwede. Ayun, ato pong paggamit o pagbukas sa mga tangki galing na nag-use sa mga pesticides, hindi din pwede na bukasan sa suba. Kinahanglan o canals na na-directed sa iba.
Poultry na naman ang chair, no? Ang poultry kay na sila mag-washing sa suba sa Kagima.
Nabay pa ng poultry, may mga hilo-hilo. Wala lang.
Ay lang mga trapal, mga pansya na sa Kagima.
Pagkauna na sa isla. Honorable Mixdal, ang tanas ako na section din ha na kano sa aman siya ang informante, informant na? Ano siya eligible makakuha na o sabay na tanang sure na at ito lang yung actual na manakpan. Actual na manakpan.
Naghatag na sa iyang penalty.
Pagkakak sa penalty. So, kung nalagin niya. Oo, pero kung diretso nagbayad, yung fines. Okay na, so, nain na form part na siya din ha. Okay, so, any motion para may third and final para magbasa?
Ordinance number 24-16, I move for third reading, Madam Chair.
Okay, seconded remarks, comments, objection? Okay, hearing none, motion is approved. Sige, okay, proceed, Honorable Sumaba.
Yes, Madam Chair. Number 1, for entry burials, there is a shall pay an application fee of 6,000 pesos. Wala na to get for construction, Madam Chair. Only the application fee. And then for number 2, for overlaying burials, which is the double entry, the list shall pay 18,000 for the 10 feet deep. This is only for the lot, Madam Chair. For the first burial. Then, atong i-addition na to, Madam Chair, last time nga, 2.1. In case of using the second layer for the overlaying burials, kung maglubungin ka diba, Madam Chair, the lessee shall pay an application fee of 6,000 pesos, Madam Chair. So, ako lang klaro, Madam Chair, pa. Katong pinag-collect, yes, Madam Chair. Una, mabayad sa 18,000, Madam Chair, for the lot. Wala, Madam Chair. And then, kung mag-second burial na siya, Madam Chair, patungan na siya, Madam Chair, mag-apply na siya o mag-buy check 6,000 pesos, Madam Chair. All construction is not included in this ordinance, Madam Chair.
Sige, okay.
Then, for the apartment type, the lessee shall pay 8,000 pesos and shall be increased 10% every 3 years. Then, for section 5 penalties, any violation of this ordinance shall be penalized of 2,500 for the lessee and especially in terms of proper disposing of trashes and to the accredited workers that doesn't follow the design given by the Municipal Office of Engineering. So, atong iutro, Madam Chair, nga itanay mo kuan sa mga bulak, Madam Chair, ipangtang nato na ko, Madam Chair. So, patulang yun, Madam Chair, nga magpasabot na yung penalty, Madam Chair, kung during sa ilang paglubog, ipasagdaan nila ang ilang mga packs, Madam Chair, nga ilang ipangdala dito. So, such as plastic bottles, tarpaulin trashes, Madam Chair. Basura mo, ipuson mo, then clean as you go. Wala na ito mga flowers and stands, Madam Chair. Okay, tama na ako as per request, Madam Chair. And then, katulad siya, Madam Chair, ang nabago, kay katulad siya ang kinanglan niya.
Sige, any comment from the members? Katong sa the road, layer,
Madam Chair, comments na po, Madam Chair, before na siya na sa Madam Chair, the planning department, Madam Chair, kabalo ba ni
Yes, Madam Chair.
Pagos?
Nagtawag ganay ni ko na ni. Actually, ako po ni klaro din po niya, Madam Chair, ko kay ginaduha man to last time, kung 6,000 is, I can 2,000 is appeal na ba construction, ito may gato na ito na kaya na inquiry din. Ako gitawagan si Engineer Madraso, ako gipamutanag klaro, ini daw siya, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair.
Sige, any other comments? Wala may comments. Katong layover na 6,000. Layover, kita mo na.
Overlay.
Overlay. Or double decker, double decker or double interment.
Overlay ang ilang previous, Madam Chair.
Pero sa bintana, dispanto overlay.
Nag-ibaba ni Sapa, wala nga.
Overlaying na siya, or double entry na siya, Madam Chair.
Daan lang na.
Double entry. Or double interment. Double interment siya.
Double eh.
Dapat na, i-update ko na siya sa kwan, definition of terms.
Madam Chair, sa reviews.
Poy. Pwede ba itong mga amendments, mga donation, no?
Yes, Madam Chair.
I-comment siya. Okay, Honorable Sumabat.
Yes, Madam Chair, I move for this ordinance for public hearing, Madam Chair.
Second, Madam Chair.
Okay, seconded. Any remarks? Comments, objections? Okay, hearing none. Wishes? Okay. Next, sa may, wala ni Honorable Sidas,
Nakapag-hearing sa niya ngayon.
umana ni, naapin mo. So, wala na yung wala ni Honorable Sidas.
changes. Pwede mo promote mga changes.
Yes, Madam Chair. Usap lang is katong sharing sa incentives and award katong sa informant. It is na 30-30-40. 40 is for the informant. Yung 30 is for the apprehending officer. O 30 sa LGU. Dayon, katupong sa community service, naman yung community service dito nga penalty, ang ikuha nito is kung ang violator is maingon din siya, hindi siya ka-afford sa fines, na mag-render lang siya o community service, ang informant is dapat gihapon chargeable against the trust fund, 150,000 initial funding ikan sa appropriation. Mura to siya
Okay, sige. So, that's all. So far, oras to siya, Honorable Sidas, changes. Any motion?
Madam Chair.
Yeah, Honorable.
I would like to comment Madam Chair about the kung dili siya ka-afford ito, mga community service, but I don't know if kung sakto niya according to DILG kung wala na puno na sa ordinance ng mga community service, wala na siya. Basta doon siya, last nungod nga naghimot na doon one of our ordinance na giwala kita ang community service.
So, na-discussan ba na during the call? Ang draft sa kuan sa DOH na yung community service or wala?
Ilagi ko.
Ang naas na yung community service? Nag-inom ba ito sa DILG?
Kasi na yung problema na ako, ang ALG mo yung problema nga eh. Kung i-erase na, tumito, kung Monday, so legit lang na, follow.
Because the question would Madam Chair, kung siya o ikaw kabayan, ano mo buhat ba siya ng illegal na siya? Oh, so the penalty is na siya dito imprisonment, wala kikihan mo ko nito. Not the kitali ang bukay ng community service. So, community service ako, mga po ka rin, umitin ko rin. Ako lang din pagawan sunod. Yan na ba?
Okay. Sige, so let's now proceed. Let's go see now. Any other, so we will continue deliberating until we can
Next issue.
clarify that particular issue lang sa community service, Honorable Sinidas. Okay, any other ordinance na kaya i-dispose?
I think, Madam Chair, this ordinance, Madam Chair, is need for deliberation siya tanan Madam Chair. So maybe next time or next session na lang siya tanan Madam Chair. They
Okay.
sponsor.
Sige, so let's now proceed with the third and final reading.
Resolution adopting the annual enlistment program up to 2025, which was deliberated and approved by the Municipal Development Council last July 25, 2024.
Okay.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Honorable Tampo.
I move to approve, Madam Chair, from final, third and final approval, Madam Chair, annual investment program, 20% and 5% allocation to the LGU, Madam Chair.
Second
Okay, so
motion.
just seconded. Remarks, comments, objection? Okay, hearing none, motion is approved. Any ABC matter report?
Madam Chair, we have next week, Madam Chair, ang monthly meeting for the NBC, Madam Chair.
Okay, sa SK, OB ha, Koy, sa SK Koy, na activities province. IP matters?
Madam Chair, umangalawan ang meeting sa IPs para sa pag-cluster sa Budagan sa Pagina.
So may mga aspirant, Madam Chair.
Oh, lagi?
So may mga aspirant.
Isa ka na yung mga aspirant.
Ang umangalawa na may mga
Adi, pa mag-election.
next year, iba na may mga plastado, sorry, ano yung buhaton, kaya ang enforcement for city that way.
Adi, pag-iluma. Wala pa pa'y mga kandidato. Mali, interesado.
Nanuso. Ang ulang yung plastado tayo. O may ibutra ko si Tani Lubay ko, si Kapitan Kator, ang ulang yung sulubay. Nali, mag-away-away sa sunod na sa report.
Okay, sige. Sige. So,
Other matters, Madam Chair?
other matters? Sige.
Yes, Madam Chair. About this later from Municipal Mayor, Madam Chair, League Municipal Ordinance number 5, thus debate atong the Pag-Iski, Madam Chair. Since kulang niya, Madam Chair, is only the item number, Madam Chair. So dali ito siya butangan na may kabutang sa itong item number ang kita ko sa graph. Ang bala ng pagpasa na lang. So I will, Madam Chair, for the approval, Madam Chair, amending the Municipal Ordinance number 5, thus to declare and section 18 of the Ordinance, Madam Chair.
Sige, any second to the motion? Okay, seconded. Remarks, comments, objections? Okay, hearing none. And hereby approve the motion. Okay, so wala na yung other